Hello, I wanted to leave you with a couple thoughts today on AI. One is called Prompt Engineer, and two, SchoolAI.com. So first of all, what is a prompt engineer? I think it's a really cool term because many of you know that with AI, when you do a search, it searches the entire internet, the public internet. The problem with that is it gets the good, the bad, and the ugly, as well as biases. So when you create prompts, refining of the prompt gives you better results. So if you say, for instance, you want to find a lesson plan on short vowel, you would say, use my state standards, whatever state you're in, only use best practices, do not go to family or homeschool sites, go to material that's developed for K-12, right? So you'd come up with all these prompts and you'd use them. But it turns out in an organization, that's what a prompt engineer is. So I would advise you all, if you haven't already, create a prompt engineering committee or a prompt engineer position. And this group will come up with the best prompts for the type of searches you want to do. And then you put it on your intranet where, hey, every time you do a prompt, you want to get some lesson plan, copy this text, put it in the front of your prompt, and then do it, right? Now, if you get more sophisticated, there's some other stuff you can do. You can create your own chatbots. And this leads us into SchoolAI.com. Free resource. I heard about it at a show, CCEA. The teachers were talking about it. And what you do is you can, SchoolAI.com creates these spaces which are built on ChatGPT. So they've hard-coded their own prompts to create a space. And then you could go there and it'll have a certain slant or flavor, right? So again, it's already made and directed to certain kind of expertise areas within education. Now, also great thing about SchoolAI.com is it's all, like I said, it's free. So you're not paying for it. And then finally, they have something really neat in it. You can actually have first-person conversations with experts, historical experts like Amelia Earhart. So you could work it into your lesson plan. Students can go in there and talk to someone like they're that expert. They fed it all the information and narrowed it down. It's called fine-tuning. And so it's a pretty cool resource. But anyway, check out those two things, prompt engineering and SchoolAI.com. All right, thank you so much.